Hey folks, today I have the Provirtec MistFree Smart Humidifier, and I'll talk about that MistFree in a moment. So this has been sent to me by the brand so that I could bring this video to you, and we've been using it for a few nights now, and I just wanted to share some thoughts. So some of the things we like about this product include the fact that it has this decent sized 3 litre water tank, and the great thing about this tank is you can just put in standard tap water. It does not need to be purified at all. It does utilise a large efficient filter, so it's going to do a great job at removing any impurities. But one of the main marketed points here, and it is something that threw us off when we first turned this on, is that it is completely mist free. So normally with humidifiers, once they are enabled, then you'll have the mist coming out of them in order to humidify the room. That isn't the case here. At first we was wondering, is it supposed to be like this? It was just the air coming out, or at least it felt like it's just air coming out, but it turns out that is a design feature, and it stops the unit itself from getting damaged over time by being covered in water, and I guess it just protects the other tech and that you have around the room as well, so you're not going to be getting those layers of mist onto them. But it does still humidify the room, and you can see we have the water level here. The water will slowly empty as this thing is currently switched on. So it is a really clever design, and the great thing about this as well is the settings here give you everything you need. So we tend to use this during the night time when we are sleeping, but one thing I do use is the sleep mode. This will actually reduce the volume to 28 decibels, which to be honest with you is barely noticeable, at least with my hearing, and all of the lights will turn off as well. There are 3 settings to the humidity levels, and level 3 is actually quite powerful. So if you are using that in the day, maybe for a boost of humidity, then yeah, it's nice to have that setting. You can also adjust the UV light, and you can enable a timer setting too, which you can increase by the number of hours. But because this is a smart humidifier, it does also come bundled with an app which lets you also adjust these settings. And one thing I do like about the app is you can set the humidifier up over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Now, if you do set up over Bluetooth, you will need to be close to the humidifier with your phone in order to adjust the settings. And also included is this sensor, which does give you information on the humidity levels and the temperature of the room. Again, you can access this through the app. However, we were only able to connect this through Bluetooth to the app, which means that you do have to be close by to it in order to actually get those readings. And as I say, we have been using it for a few nights now, and yeah, we've been happy with it. It's actually done a great job, if I'm honest with you, at keeping our room at the humidity levels that we desire, which means I'd happily recommend it, the Provirtec MistFree Smart Humidifier. Hope this video has helped.